We're at the Flats barn, and I brought some nails down, did some nailing. It's a good workout. So I think they used probably a 10 or 12 penny nail originally, or at one point. And then these might be maybe a 10, so they're a little smaller. I didn't have the other size, but turns out about half the nail still goes into the wood, and it turns out this wood is good and solid. So I went along through here and did 2 for each board. Now, the real issue with this, what we call a flats barn, is the foundation, and that's the part I just don't know what to do. How do we get underneath it to jack it up? Or do we somehow jack on the first layer and remove the bottom? Maybe that's how we have to start thinking, and we replace the bottom as we go. I'm just not sure. I need to give this some thought. This is a potential project. I'm not sure if we're going to take it on or what we're going to do, but we have a dead tree right here, and we have some other trees. We need to get these removed over here because we can't even get the doors open. So we need to pull this dirt out of here to get the doors open good. Last year they did open, but each winter more gets pushed into here. So I'm going to grab the chainsaw and start cutting these out, because over there is another door to get equipment in. So we're going to start cutting this stuff out right here. At least we can get access to this whole front. And that's probably all we're going to do for today. So we're going to have to think about the foundation around the edge or the base, on how to stabilize it and how to jack it up and then add support from inside. Okay, let's get the chainsaw and start cutting.